Can you tell us what else you're doing that's like exciting you or motivating you outside of OpenAI?
Sure.
Like your side hustles,
Sure.
if we put it that way.
I think we're going to get nuclear fusion to work in the next few years, and importantly, not just as a scientific demonstration, but as incredibly cheap energy and at global scale. So I think other than AI, if you could do one thing that would like really help the world get richer, increase the quality of life, it's very cheap energy. I think there's like a huge historical correlation there. And I think we've all like lost sight of the appropriate ambition level here of how much of an impact we could make. But if we can get fusion to work, and if we can make enough of it for the world, and if it can like cut the energy cost 10x plus, that's pretty great. I'll pick that one.
So your side gig is nuclear fusion? Not you specifically, you,
I think
but these are like...
I think those are the two. My basic model of the world is that the cost of intelligence and the cost of energy are kind of what compounded everything else. And if we want a radically better future, those are the two things we should focus on trying to like make abundant.
Who's going to solve that?
I think Helion's doing the best work, but I'm happy there's like a race for fusion right now. Nuclear fission, I think, is also like quite amazing, and I hope as a world we can re-embrace that. It's really sad to me how the history of that went, and hope we get back to it in a meaningful way.
So we have to kind of win people over and to show how safe it is.